Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best butter cutter is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious baker, especially when it comes to creating flaky and delicious pastries. This video will dive into the world of butter cutters, exploring different types, features, and ultimately helping you choose the perfect one to elevate your baking game. We will examine various factors to consider when selecting a butter cutter, ensuring you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and baking style. Number 5. Spring Chef Dough Blender. This dough blender makes baking easier than ever. Its sturdy metal blades are perfect for cutting butter into flour, creating the perfect texture for your favorite recipes. Achieve bakery quality results every time. It makes flakier biscuits, fluffier pastries, and more delicious baked goods. This tool effortlessly cuts through cold butter, making it superior to forks or mashers. You'll get better results with less effort. Say goodbye to sore hands and wrists. The comfortable, pressure-absorbing handle makes baking a joy, even for those with arthritis. It's not just for dough. Use it to chop fruits, vegetables, nuts, or even make baby food. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. What we like? It boasts extra thick, sturdy blades that will last. The ergonomic handle prevents hand fatigue, making baking more enjoyable. If you need a tool that can handle various kitchen tasks beyond baking, this is the one for you. What people say. The heavy-duty stainless steel blades are super sharp and cut through cold butter like a dream. No more mushy mess or struggling with two knives. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in my hand, allowing me to effortlessly blend ingredients without straining my wrist. The stainless steel blades are sturdy and efficient, cutting through even the toughest dough with ease. The blades of the blender are not sharp, but they are designed such that they easily cut into frozen butter and blend well without bending a bit. The handle has a cushioned feel to it. Number 4. Zulay Kitchen Dough Blender. This dough blender makes baking easier and faster. Its 5 stainless steel blades quickly mix and cut ingredients with minimal effort, resulting in perfect pastries every time. With its ergonomic, anti-slip handle, it's comfortable to use, even for those with arthritis. Enjoy a baking experience that's both efficient and enjoyable. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, it's a durable tool that will be a kitchen staple for years to come. The sturdy construction ensures it won't fall apart, even with regular use. Simply toss it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. Its compact size makes it easy to store and a welcome addition to your kitchen essentials. It's perfect for mashing avocados, crumbling cookies, chopping nuts, and even more. Unleash its versatility in your kitchen. What we like? This pastry blender gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Cleaning is a breeze, as it's dishwasher safe. If you value speed and convenience in the kitchen, this is your best bet. What people say. This dough blender is incredibly sturdy, cute, and makes making pie dough so easy. Just what I wanted. Just the right size and solidly made. Feels good in my hands and works great. In addition to its intended use, this dough blender is a handy gadget for making guacamole, mashing a few potatoes, making egg salad, and shredding chicken. It made short work of shredding a chicken breast for enchiladas, compared to the traditional method of using 2 forks. Plus, the chicken was more finely and uniformly shredded. I am still experimenting with alternate uses. The item that arrived was exactly as described and shown in the pictures, with no rough spots or dull spots. The metal is thick, sturdy, and securely attached to the handle. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Dough Blender. This innovative tool makes baking easier than ever. Its unique design effortlessly blends ingredients for perfect results every time. The durable stainless steel blades swiftly cut butter and shortening into your dry ingredients. Say goodbye to tedious hand mixing. The wide, comfortable handle provides a secure grip, even when handling sticky doughs. It absorbs pressure for effortless blending. Watch how it seamlessly incorporates ingredients, creating a smooth and consistent texture. Baking just got a whole lot easier. Cleaning up is a breeze. It's completely dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, it's the perfect tool to elevate your baking game. Enjoy perfectly blended doughs every time. What we like? Its simple design makes it incredibly user-friendly. The broad, non-slip handle provides excellent control and comfort. If you prioritize ease of use and simple cleanup, this is a great choice. What people say. Solid and well made. Perfect size. We use it far more for making guacamole than for dough, and it works great. The best pastry blender I have owned. It is sturdy and sharp enough to cut even cold butter, which produces the flakiest crusts and biscuits. This dough blender is perfect. The blades are well made and sturdy. It was very easy to cut the butter into the flour with this blender. Number 2. ALLTOP bench scraper and blender set. This set contains a dough blender and a bench scraper. They work together to make baking easier and more efficient, from blending to shaping your dough. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. The durable construction ensures it will be a kitchen staple for years to come. It helps you create perfectly mixed doughs and pastries. Enjoy flakier biscuits, pies, and more with consistent results. It's not just for baking. Use it to chop fruits, vegetables, or nuts, and even to clean up crumbs. The comfortable handles make baking a breeze. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. What we like. This set offers both a dough blender and a bench scraper, maximizing efficiency. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. If you value efficiency and want a versatile tool for all your baking needs, this is perfect for you. Number 1. ALLTOP Pastry Blender. It's made with high-quality, durable metal blades, ensuring long-lasting performance and a superior baking experience. Achieve flakier, fluffier pastries, pie crusts, and more. It quickly mixes butter into flour for tastier results that will impress everyone. This blender is a must-have for your baking needs. Say goodbye to uneven results from using forks or other tools. The soft grip handle fits comfortably in most hands, preventing fatigue. Its design is also suitable for those with arthritis. It's perfect for more than just dough. Use it to chop fruits, vegetables, nuts, and even make baby food. The possibilities are endless. What we like. The superior quality of its blades ensures even butter distribution for perfect results every time. The comfortable, ergonomic handle minimizes hand strain. If you demand top-notch performance and comfort, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. She's in love with her new kitchen utensil. It stands up well. I've had mine for many years and still going strong. Very sturdy, feels good in the hand, and works amazingly well. I used a fork for a long time, but this is so much better and faster and does a better job. No more aching hands. This is a good pastry dough mixer. The blades are sturdy and spaced far enough apart to mix the dough well without just smushing it down. The blades also work well for fruit. Easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.